Microbes in human welfare. Top 50. Multiple choice questions. 1. The fermentation of dough for making bread and idli is carried out by which of the following microorganisms? A. Lactobacillus. B. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. C. Acetobacter. D. Streptococcus. Answer. B. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. 2. Bioenergy is the energy obtained from A. Coal. B. Natural gas. C. Alcohol. D. Biomass. Answer. D. Biomass. 3. Which bacterium is responsible for the production of lactic acid that causes milk to curdle into curd? A. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. B. Lactobacillus. C. Trichoderma. D. Propionibacterium freudenreichi. Answer. B. Lactobacillus. 4. The characteristic eyes in Swiss cheese are produced by which bacterium? A. Lactococcus. B. Lactobacillus. C. Streptococcus. D. Propionibacterium freudenreichi. Answer. D. Propionibacterium freudenreichi. 5. Toddy, a traditional drink, is made by fermenting palm sap with the help of A. Bacteria. B. Fungi. C. Viruses. D. Algae. Answer. B. Fungi. 6. Which of the following processes provide both energy and manure? A. Burning of fuel wood. B. Pyrolysis of wood. C. Biogas formation. D. Gasification of wood. Answer. C. Biogas formation. 7. Which wood is more suitable for fuel? A. Light wood. B. High calorific value. C. Spring wood. D. Less combustible. Answer. B. High calorific value. 8. Which of the following microbes is used for commercial production of ethanol? A. Aspergillus niger. B. Acetobacter ast. C. Clostridium botulicum. D. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Answer. D. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. 9. Which of the following microbes is used for the commercial production of citric acid? A. Lactobacillus. B. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. C. Acetobacter. D. Aspergillus niger. Answer. D. Aspergillus niger. 10. Large holes in Swiss cheese are made by A. A bacterium that produces a large amount of carbon dioxide. B. A fungus that releases a lot of gas during its metabolic activities. C. A machine. D. Methane gas produced by a bacterium. Answer. A. A bacterium that produces a large amount of carbon dioxide. 11. Which of the following is the primary use of Saccharomyces cerevisiae? A. Baking and brewing of alcoholic beverages. B. Nitrogen fixation. C. Production of antibiotics. D. Sewage treatment. Answer. A. Baking and brewing of alcoholic beverages. 12. Penicillin, the first commercial antibiotic, was discovered from which microbe? A. Escherichia coli. B. Penicillium notatum. C. Streptomyces. D. Aspergillus niger. Answer. B. Penicillium notatum. 13. Which of the following is not organic waste? A. Animal wastes. B. Agricultural wastes. C. Forest residues. D. Radioactive wastes. Answer. D. Radioactive wastes. 14. Which of the following gases is responsible for the puffed up appearance of the dough? A. NH3. B. CO2. C. O2. D. CH4. Answer. B. CO2. 15. What does biocontrol refer to? A. Use of biological methods for controlling plant diseases. B. Use of chemical methods for controlling plant diseases. C. Use of morphological methods by the plants to control the attack of pathogens. D. Use of physical methods by the plants to control the attack of pathogens. Answer. A. Use of biological methods for controlling plant diseases. 16. Which group of microorganisms is primarily used in the production of beverages like whiskey, rum, and wine? A. Bacteria. B. Viruses. C. Fungi, yeast. D. Protozoa. Answer. C. Fungi, yeast. 17. What is the main role of methanogens in the production of biogas? A. They are responsible for the aerobic decomposition of organic matter. B. They are responsible for the anaerobic digestion of organic matter to produce methane. C. They are responsible for the fermentation of sugars to produce ethanol. D. They are responsible for the production of carbon dioxide gas. Answer. B. They are responsible for the anaerobic digestion of organic matter to produce methane. 18. Which of the following processes is not involved in the industrial utilization of microbes? A. Laboratory scale process. B. Demagnetization process. C. Manufacturing process. D. Pilot plant scale process. Answer. B. Demagnetization process. 19. What is the major component of wastewater? A. Pure water. B. Human excreta. C. Sand. D. Clay. Answer. B. Human excreta. 20. What is the full form of GAP? A. Ganglion active potential. B. Ganga active plan. C. Ganglion action potential. D. Ganga action plan. Answer. D. Ganga action plan. 21. In which medium do certain bacteria grow to produce biogas? A. Lignin. B. Cellulose. C. Chitin. D. Cheese. Answer. B. Cellulose. 22. Which of the following statements is not true regarding BOD? A. Sewage water is treated until the BOD is reduced. B. BOD is a measure of organic matter present in the water. C. Greater the BOD, lesser is the polluting potential of water. D. BOD measures the rate of uptake of oxygen. Answer. C. Greater the BOD, lesser is the polluting potential of water. 23. What is the full form of STPs? A. Sexually transmitted problems. B. Sewage treatment plants. C. Serum tissue plasminogen. D. Sebaceous tissue plasminogen. Answer. B. Sewage treatment plants. 24. Water flocks. A. Masses of fungi. B. Masses of algae. C. Masses of animals. D. Masses of bacteria. Answer. D. Masses of bacteria. 25. How many gallons of wastewater is treated before being released into the natural water bodies? A. Millions. B. Billions. C. Trillions. D. Quadrillion. Answer. A. Millions. 26. Which group of microbes is responsible for biogas production? A. Fungi. B. Methanogens. C. Cyanobacteria. D. Yeast. Answer. B. Methanogens. 27. Which of the following is not true regarding biological farming? A. Farmers understand the webs of interaction among organisms. B. Use of biocontrol measures will increase our dependence on chemical fertilizer. C. Farmers become familiar with the various life forms that inhabit the field. D. Farmers become aware of the life cycles and feeding habits of organisms. Answer. B. Use of biocontrol measures will increase our dependence on chemical fertilizer. 28. What is the primary gas produced during biogas formation? A. Hydrogen sulfide. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Methane. D. Oxygen. Answer. C. Methane. 29. On which of the following factors does the type of gas produced depend? A. Substrate. B. Cofactors. C. Catalysts. D. Product. Answer. A. Substrate. 30. What is the name given to the mixture of cattle dung and water used in a biogas plant? A. Slurry. B. Effluent. C. Activated sludge. D. Substrate. Answer. A. Slurry. 31. The biogas plant operates under which conditions? A. Aerobic. B. Anaerobic. C. Both aerobic and anaerobic. D. Neither aerobic nor anaerobic. Answer. B. Anaerobic. 32. Where are methanogenic bacteria commonly found in nature? A. In the soil. B. In the root nodules of leguminous plants. C. In the rumen of cattle and in the sludge of sewage treatment plants. D. In the human gut. Answer. C. In the rumen of cattle and in the sludge of sewage treatment plants. 33. Which of the following microbes is commonly used as a biocontrol agent against various plant pathogens like fungal diseases? A. Lactobacillus. B. Bacillus thuringiensis. C. Trichoderma. D. Streptococcus. Answer. C. Trichoderma. 34. Bacillus thuringiensis, BT, is a potent biocontrol agent against which of the following pests? A. Aphids. B. Bollworms. C. Fly maggots. D. Snails. Answer. B. Bollworms. 35. Which of the following is not a correct statement regarding steroids? A. Used medicinally in correcting hormonal imbalance. B. Complex crystallizable lipids. C. Constituents of the cell membrane. D. Deficiency causes scurvy. Answer. D. Deficiency causes scurvy. 36. What is the height of the concrete tank used in a biogas plant? A. 10 to 15 meters. B. 15 to 20 meters. C. 10 to 15 feet. D. 15 to 20 feet. Answer. C. 10 to 15 feet. 37. Which of the following statements is incorrect regarding trichoderma? A. It is a bacterium. B. Very common in root ecosystems. C. Free living. D. Effective biocontrol agents. Answer. A. It is a bacterium. 38. Which of the following statements correctly describes the use of Bacillus thuringiensis spores as a biocontrol agent? A. The spores are mixed with water and sprayed on crops, then eaten by insect larvae. B. The spores are sprayed on crops to make them resistant to fungal infections. C. The spores are directly injected into the soil to kill pests. D. The spores are used to ferment milk into curd. Answer. The spores are mixed with water and sprayed on crops, then eaten by insect larvae. 39. The toxin produced by Bacillus thuringiensis is released in the gut of the larvae after they ingest it. What is the effect on the larvae? A. They become resistant to all diseases. B. Their digestive system is paralyzed, and they die. C. They become sterile and cannot reproduce. D. They are unable to eat and die of starvation. Answer. B. Their digestive system is paralyzed, and they die. 40. Which of the following is a correct statement about the selectivity of Bacillus thuringiensis? A. The bacterial disease will kill all insects in the vicinity. B. It only kills specific insects like butterfly caterpillars and not other beneficial insects. C. It has no effect on any insects, making it useless as a biocontrol agent. D. It kills both harmful and beneficial insects equally. Answer. B. It only kills specific insects like butterfly caterpillars and not other beneficial insects. 41. Which of the following is a genetically modified crop that uses the gene from Bacillus thuringiensis to resist insect pests? A. Bt cotton. B. Bt maize. C. Bt potato. D. Bt rice. Answer. A. Bt cotton. 42. Which group of microbes can act as a biocontrol agent against insect pests by acting as entomopathogens? A. Bacteria. B. Viruses. C. Fungi. D. Protozoa. Answer. C. Fungi. 43. Which of the following is a type of biofertilizer that fixes atmospheric nitrogen? A. Aspergillus niger. B. Penicillium. C. Rhizobium. D. Saccharomyces. Answer. C. Rhizobium. 44. What is the full form of IPM? A. Indian Pest Management. B. Integrated Pest Management. C. Integrated Plant Management. D. International Pest Management. Answer. B. Integrated Pest Management. 45. In which of the following is Anabina used as a biofertilizer? A. Rice paddies. B. Citrus plants. C. Wheat cultivation. D. All of the above. Answer. A. Rice paddies. 46. What is the primary role of mycorrhizal fungi in biofertilizers? A. They break down complex organic matter. B. They increase the plant's ability to absorb phosphate and water from the soil. C. They convert atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia. D. They produce growth-promoting hormones. Answer. B. They increase the plant's ability to absorb phosphate and water from the soil. 47. Which of the following is a major biofertilizer that can be used to solubilize phosphorus in the soil? A. Methanogens. B. Cyanobacteria. C. Azotobacter. D. Agrobacterium. Answer. C. Azotobacter. 48. Which of the following is a transgenic crop? A. Transgenic tobacco. B. Transgenic pomato. C. Transgenic fig. D. Transgenic apple. Answer. A. Transgenic tobacco. 49. Which of the following is not true for a biogas plant? A. The floating cover is placed over slurry. B. Biogas plant does not have an outlet. C. The slurry is removed and may be used as a fertilizer. D. The concrete tank is 10 to 15 feet deep. Answer. B. Biogas plant does not have an outlet. 50. Which of the following is not a biofertilizer? A. Blue-green algae. B. Rhizobium. C. Mycorrhiza. D. Agrobacterium. Answer. D. Agrobacterium. Thank you. And please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.